Just beyond Lion Country, a waterfall whispers a secret, loud enough to quiet your worst fear. Ready to hear it? The Bible says, Psalm 42, verse 7 to 8, deep calls to deep in the roar of your waterfalls. All your waves and breakers have swept over me. By day the Lord directs his love, at night his song is with me. Macalia slices through sandstone 5 million years old, rain and gravity still chiseling the same salmon. Persistence beats bulk. See that neon moss? It survives on droplets with mist. Even dusty bushes lean closer for one breath of spray. Around here, mist equals gold. The plunge pool looks like melted chocolate, color borrowed from upstream silt. From here, water drifts into the Macalia River, then into the larger Mara. Small start, long reach. David heard God in the roar. Same rose here, calling anxious thoughts into something deeper, slower. If stone can listen for ages, you and I can spare a minute. If that hush just lowered your pulse, drop a stent below. Name one place where the noise stops for you, and tag a friend who needs a pocket waterfall today. Follow for more Bible meets wild moments.